In this video, we are going to explore a little corner of the Pyrenees that looks strikingly like Canada. Welcome to Lac de Payolle. Lac de Payolle is located here, in the Hautes-Pyrénées department of southern France. This artificial lake sits at an altitude of 1,139 meters. It's easily accessible by car with plenty of tourist accommodations nearby. Right close to the parking lot, you will see an original construction made of wood. Locals call it Little Canada, thanks to its dense conifer forests and crystal clear water. It's a perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for hiking, mountain biking, and more. This lake is definitely worth a visit, and if you're planning a trip to the Pyrenees, I recommend you checking my playlist dedicated to this one-of-a-kind mountain range. Bye bye.